how's it going? It's Mike Kellum here for Gananoque Chev. Just wanted to check and make sure that you received your email for our Gan Chev loyalty event, which we're having this week, October, September. How's it going? Mike Kellum here for Gananoque Chev. Just wanted to take a minute and ask you if you'd received your...
Oh, why is that coming up? You wrecked it.
I wrecked the truck. Oh my god. Now I'm breaking the thing. Oh, it comes out. That's why. Okay.
Plus, this month when you get... This month, until the end of July. It's Mike Kellum here from Gananoque Chevrolet. Today, I wanted... Cut! Am I actually live right now?
No, I'm just videotaping. Like it's on.
Oh.
Are you gonna pretend like you're very good? No?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not smoking. It's Saturday. No. Gan Chev, we really wanted to help make a difference at the food bank. So we decided we would help them out by purchasing 25 turkeys, which is why I'm wearing this ridiculous turkey costume.
A malfunctioning sensor, or what is that? Or a Cadillac converter. Okay, catalytic? I thought they were catalytic converter? Is that what it is? This light illuminates this tire pressure monitoring, no. 10. It's like as soon as I start talking, they start hammering. I started using my hands there. If you have any topics that you'd like us to... What else?
And don't forget to subscribe.
And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys. Have a nice day. Sorry. Thanks, everyone, for... Oh, maybe I'll wait. Thanks for watching Gan Chev.